Hello, everyone. Steve Ankerstar here, and welcome to your monthly investor update for the end of May. Another month in the books, almost halfway through 2023. And the great news is it's been a lot better than 2022. But we're still not out of the woods yet with Fed rate hikes and everything. So expect volatility to continue. But so far, so good. And we are at a new high in the book. So as an investor, anytime we're hitting new highs, that's good for your share price out of it, Ankerstar Wealth. So good news on that front. Before we get too far, here's a standard disclaimer. All these projections are mine as far as everything from where we are now. That's facts, but everything forward is my projection, and I'll happily give you the assumptions that I used to make those if you ever have any questions. Okay, the new share price, 103.78 there is your new share price. So again, not an all-time high in the share price, but certainly a move up. And again, this is 6-7 months in a row that we were able to move the share price up, which means if you look off to the left there, the increases have been 4% so far in 2023, 4%, 2.6, 2.8, 3.2, and 3.6%. So again, the target that I use for the metric is 2.5%. Again, everything was based off of that continuing to happen. I've been outpacing that all the way up to the point of 2022 hit, set us back significantly there, but we're recovering out of that. And I'll show you on the next chart what that looks like graphically. But yeah, so far so good. And continuing to bring on new clients. I have up to 183 now, which is again all-time high in clients there, and have 3 full-time financial planning clients as well. So as you know, on an advisor front, we have 4 advisors. We're about to have a 5th. Allison takes her Series 65 on June 22nd, so she should be able to help in a servicing capacity once she has her license. As far as shares, there are no outstanding shares remaining, but if you're looking to lighten up your position, I have 2 people on the wait list that are looking for your shares. Again, you can sell them at your current price, 103.78, or if you want to put them up for grabs at a higher price, just let me know and I'll offer that to the folks. So again, if you're happy where you are, that's fine. There's no new shares, but if you want some more, if you want to lighten your load, I do have others that are wanting in. Okay, here is the chart of assets under management from 2015 until here we are in the end of May 2023. And so the longer you move, the longer you look at this long-term horizon, the more you realize the significant heart attacks in the market are just blips along a bigger story, right? So back in 2018, we did have that 19% move down in December of 2018 before we started 2019. We also had this was the COVID move in 2020, again, 35% in a month. Obviously, we took a hit there, but look at the snapback we had. And then, of course, up here, this big check mark up here, if you will, is 2022. So we ended up last year in assets, but obviously the market was down pretty significant. So we had to grow our way out of that. But if you get back to that slide, but if you see there, the straight line up, basically that is 2023. Even though the market is volatile, tech stocks have been performing very well. So again, heavily invested in tech, that's helping some, plus signing on new clients, plus having, 3, 4, soon to be 5 advisors also helps kind of get the word out about what we're doing, and anything you're doing on your front to kind of spread the word, send referrals. I don't really do the ask, if you will, for referrals, but yes, please. If you have somebody in mind that would like to sign on, we have capacity now, where I was running at capacity for a while, but now I have more capacity. We're transitioning another 7 clients today, actually, over to a newer advisor to be able to look at right sizing the business as far as getting more clients to different advisors, depending on a lot of different factors. So again, none of you are affected by that. You're going to be with me as an investor. For sure, you get that priority, but it does affect some other folks in the book. Okay, that's all I have for you for this update. So overall, new high in the book, again, 61.3 million. That does put us on pace, if we can continue at current rate, to be at 75 million by the end of the year. And if we hit 75 by the million by the end of this year, then we are on pace for 100 million at the end of 2024, which would be, that's the game changer. That's when the building's going to happen, somewhere around that time, late 2024, where we move into a physical building. and SEC registration happens around the 100 million point. So again, kind of the all grown up phase is about a year and a half away. So with that, thanks again for listening in, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.